welcome to another episode of Askdeavilasade with your host DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and welcome back to my channel. Yes! If you're new to my channel is where mental health meets millennial with a sprinkle of my Microlocs journey, and I just love to talk about all things mental health and Microlocs. So welcome. Today will be a Microlocs video, as you can tell, because I don't know what I would have been doing dressed like this for a mental health video, but you know, maybe self-care Sunday. But no, today is a Microlocs video. So what I'm going to be showing you guys today is a typical morning routine for me. And because Microlocs are so convenient. Y'all, I can just snatch off my bonnet and go. I can just snatch off my bonnet and go. But I'm really going to give you a realistic view of what my morning looks like. So first, I hop in the shower. I love a good hot shower first thing in the morning. I've already taken my shower because I'm like, y'all don't really need to see me bathe. Y'all already know what my favorite soap is. If y'all don't know, go back to my self-care essentials video that I just dropped. I will link it on one of these eyes, and you can go look at my self-care essentials. But we're about to just go ahead and get into my morning routine, and let's go. So first, we are starting off with wetting my face. I like to get my face really soaking wet. Right now, I'm using a Neutrogena cleanser. Now, I really don't care for this cleanser, but it's getting the work done. It's really if you have acne-prone skin, but I feel like it dries my face out too much. But that's what I'm using today. I rinse it out. I like to use a paper towel to dry my face. I just don't like using towels over and over again. I just feel like that's kind of unsanitary. After doing that, I put in my contacts. So I got the one a day. So I just put in a new pair every day. Super simple. Get it in. I'm using this rose water cleanser right now to help cleanse my face. I like to try new toners. I don't really know if I really like this one right now, but it's getting the job done. So helping with those dark spots and, of course, not aiding in drying out my face. The Crest 3D Whites is my favorite. I also got the Quip toothbrush. Yes, brush those dentures, sis. Brush those dentures. But I love that. I love flossing after I'm done, just getting between my teeth. And then after that, I'm going to gargle with my favorite Listerine. And as you see that while I'm gargling and getting all that bacteria out, I like to go ahead and clean inside my ears with Q-tips. Yeah, I got me a little dance to go with it. My Vaseline lip treatment is so needed for this winter months. Like, I need it to keep my lips moisturized. And then I go in with a Neutrogena moisturizer. I love this one. This has SPF in it, but it feels so good. And then I take my gummies. And after that, my Degree Spray deodorant lasts for 72 hours. Spray. Yeah, get under them armpits, girl. Yes, spray and the spray. As you see, I got my Nivea lotion. I've used this product in my self-care essentials video, but I love this lotion. And then a little perfume. Yep. Now let's get into why you're really here, my Microlocs routine, okay? Shake it, yes. I like to start by just shaking my locks from my bonnet. Just giving a good little shake, you know, like I'm in somebody's Nuck in Your Buck video. And now I'm just kind of fluffing it out. If you ever miss my night care routine or my nighttime routine, I do have that, and I will link it here as well. I am using the maturing lock spray that you've seen in multiple videos that I've done. And I'm just using it to just moisten my hair. It's not super wet, kind of damp, but making sure that I'm just hydrating my hair. This spray actually aids in maturing the locks quicker, and that's what I really love about it. But yes, this is a go-to spray for me. After I'm done, I go ahead and oil my scalp. Now, this is a mixture of oils right now, so I can't even tell you what's in it. It's in my hair growth bottle, but it was running low, so I just added oils from another bottle and mix it all together. But I usually daily, I just try to hit the itchy spots in my hair, not just necessarily go over my entire scalp, but just the itchy parts or parts that I might be scratching excessively, just to aid in it being a decrease in my scratching. Now we are using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor Oil. I just put it on my eyebrows. If you've been following my journey with my locks, you know that I'm also working on growing my eyebrows, and I'm going to try not to get them done for a year. So if it's only been a couple of months, I got to remember when the last time I actually got them threaded, but I'm really just trying to grow them in. So I'll just take my little spoolie and then do that. And I'm finishing up with some edge control, just something simple. It doesn't really matter. I just kind of grab this and I just put a little bit. I try not to put too much because I really do like to just wear my hair as is. I don't feel like I have to necessarily have a sleek look, but on Sundays I might just want to do a little bit on the side. But simple edge control. I think that was the Shine and something. I forgot, but yeah, it's there. I'm sure you saw the lid. Here I'm going in with just my little baby hair brush. Again, being super gentle with my edges because I am working on growing them in as well. They have been definitely getting some rest now that my hair is in Microlocs. But yeah, I just make sure that I'm super gentle about that. And that's really it. All right, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. These are the final results, and this is my typical morning routine. You know, literally just having to take my bonnet off, spray a little something, make sure they ain't dry. But I have not experienced any dryness, and I do not spray my hair every day. Like, I just don't, because I don't want product buildup, because I'm too lazy to wash my own hair. But yeah, sometimes I just put oil on my scalp, just in really the spots that are really itchy. But I haven't even been having that much itchiness since I started this oil that my loctician gave me. So that is it. If you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. This is where mental health meets the millennial and Microlocs, so you can get a little self-care with your little hair care, okay? Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, Askdeavilasade. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye!